Raises beds, couches, armchairs, desks, sofas, and other heavy stationary furniture height 2 inches to assist the sit-to-stand process and boost ergonomics. Adds additional height, storage space under beds and furniture, making cleaning underneath furniture easier. Great for robot vacuums. Rubber stoppers on the base prevents movement. Lifts heavy bedroom, living room, and home office furniture to a more ergonomically correct height that provides a safer biomechanical advantage to user. Fits standard 2-inch, 50 mm bed Castor Wheels. Recessed holder cup with memory foam cushion pad built into top of risers, securely locks in furniture legs and Castor Wheels 1.25 to 3 inches diameter. This 4-pack of heavy-duty floor-protecting furniture risers will support 2,000 pounds, 500 pounds weight capacity per riser cup, not suitable for legs smaller than 32 mm, 1/4 inch. Top recess is 76 mm, 3 diameter by 19 mm, 3/4 deep. Foam insert 9 mm, 3/8 thick. Suitable for square posts up to 56 mm, 2-1/4, for legs smaller than 32 mm, 1-1/4 inch. Use CB654 in between leg and bed riser. Top reviews from the United States. The foam padding inside is the big benefit. We have the bed on an incline. If you know anyone with acid reflux, Google incline bed therapy. Apparently having the head of your bed at least 6 inches high is helpful. The angle needs to be at least 5 degrees. We have a foam mattress and the bed frame has for middle legs. So we got these to replace the big hunk of wood we had been using under the bed. Although they're small, they feel pretty sturdy. The head of the bed, we have these big clunky rectangular things that have a huge wide base. And it seems like they've slept around in the past. The foam on the inside of these feels like the mats that kids climb on. Or climb over. You know, those interlocking things. It seems, at least so far, that it prevents the bed frame legs from moving, which is what you want in a bed. The small circular design is nice. I wish they had an 8-inch version, thinking a 2-inch depression inside the cup would still give people 6 inches of incline. Hopefully these won't scuff the floors. It might be nice if there was a little foam on the bottom.